Hey guys, the Orient Traveler Z here. Today, we're back at the Fairmont, Singapore to check out their 56 square meter signature salon suite located in the renovated South Tower. After more than a year of exclusive use to quarantine visitors to Singapore, the South Tower has finally reopened to leisure guests. The signature salon suite is almost a mirror copy of the signature King Suite found in the North Tower, but features an updated aesthetic with opulent mahogany and fabric paneling with leather finishes. Entering the room and immediately to the right is the sizable bathroom. The update replaced the polished white marble with a tasteful beige substitute, which contrasts well with the single vanity decked in black marble. Bath amenities are by Le Labo. Unfortunately, the oversized rain shower with shower wand means there is no longer enough space for a bathtub. Just outside the bathroom is an open concept wardrobe with pull-out drawers that contain a safe and hairdryer. There is also a closet that contains the iron and ironing board. Moving on, the living area features a generous 3 to 4 seater gray fabric sofa with an elliptical wood coffee table. The minibar counter has been substituted with a maxi bar finished in jet black lacquer. This monolithic statement piece is both functionally and aesthetically pleasing, opening up to reveal an elegant mirrored and leather interior. The Nespresso machine can be found here, together with 3 Nespresso pods and unique TWG teas. No English breakfast or chamomile here. Bottled water has been replaced with a Swiss Pro filtered instant hot and cold water dispenser. Underneath the countertop is a mini fridge that is currently empty. Just opposite the sofa and entrance walkway is a solo tan leather chair with a bronze mirrored side table. Unwind with a book or a glass of your favorite beverage. Next is the firm but comfortable king-sized bed, with firm, elongated pillows that can double as bolsters. The headboard and side tables are now one unified piece and feature a tan leather finish with fabric-covered side wings that curve in towards the bed, creating an inviting wraparound aesthetic. Placed on the bed is a leather-wrapped tray containing the TV remote and a laundry kit. Tucked to the corner of the suite, a sizable wood study desk replaces the glass-topped affair and comes with a leather chair and desk pad. The room has views of Raffles Hotel and the Jalan Besar area. An amenity kit is also provided. The bed faces an adjustable 55-inch high-definition LCD television that can pivot slightly towards the living area. Heading out, the link bridge between the North and South Towers has now reopened for your convenience. Looking down, you can observe the main pools, which are actually shared between the Fairmont and the adjacent Swiss Hotel. The view on the opposite side is that of the suite we just covered. I have covered the Willow Stream Spa and other facilities in my original video on the Signature King Suite located in the North Tower. Links in the video description below. The spa includes separate facilities like saunas and jacuzzis for men and women. Lastly, breakfast is served at the restaurant Prego, located just next to the lobby. Breakfast was an a la carte buffet that will leave you spoiled for choice. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough of the Signature Salon Suite at the Fairmont, Singapore. If you liked our content and would like to see more, please do drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. It would really help us out. Thanks for watching. Till next time.